Who is this person?
So 3, about to take the wife hunting for the first time in her life. She got her license. I got her a gun. We're about to go to Battle Creek, Minnesota. Let's see how we do today. Just me and the wife. Battle Creek, here we come. They're probably still up in the trees because it just got done raining. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Take a shot. Take a shot. It's right there, bruh. Right there, bruh. Right there, bruh. Oh, you just missed it. Oh, it's going down the tree, I think. Told you got good eyes, man. Come on, girl, go get it. She just got here. She already saw one. Lean right on the ATV so you got somewhere to shoot. Where'd it go? She lost it. Got his ass. Got his ass. Oh yeah, I got it in him. Yeah, he gonna die. Putting my safety on. Got one. I lost one. One is in a tree somewhere still. Look at her. She's finally hunting. It look like she's taking the shit. We got one. We lost a few. One's up at the tree still. She did it. Her first official fucking kill. I'm so proud of her. She was so patient. How accurate is it? Look at her go. Shut your ass up. Damn, you got a fucking back leg shot. What did you aim for?
I'll say right there. It's right there.
It was right on top of you?
Yeah. I knew he was gonna come down.
Oh yeah.
I was waiting for that one right there.
He's still up in the tree?
Huh?
He's still in there?
I'm waiting for that big nest right there. I know there's some.
Yeah, the other guy went up the tree. He's still sitting up there. He won't come down. He saw me. It might be a black one. Damn, you got him in the fucking...
Yeah, he didn't see me. And then he climbed up.
Yo, he was on top of you, huh?
He came down from this pine tree here.
Oh, that's why.
He came in this one, and then he came laid right there. And then he was like, oh, you didn't see me.
Look at her.
Very strong.
Your first one here, you want to hold it? So right now I got one up the tree and my wife got one up this tree. I hit hers twice with my weak ass gun and I hit mine twice with my weak ass gun. Fuck, they fucking blend right in. My wife just got another one. She dropped another one. She can't find it. There's another one in a tree. She got a total of 5 now. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. I thought 5. Oh yeah, we couldn't find the other 2.